Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Sankardev College Shillong hak atrek unai lor arajar pausan kla Pynkup Burom. Yiki Samla Pule kibla Pyndep yiki graduate hak jingalang kiblalong auditorium jong college. Hak ni gesngi lasa kilang du commissioner and secretary ketanat Pule Puthi ke Sarkar Jilla u Dr. Vijay Mantri blalong kumukongsan ka deputy commissioner jong ke East Khasihus ke Kong Rosetta Mary Korba kum ke sembut kongsan ke vice chancellor jong ke Martin Luther Christian University ke Dr. TK Kharbamon ke principal jong ke college ke Dr. Eureka FP Lingdo u vice principal u Kenneth Khan kino hikai bagi Samla Pule jong ke college. Ka college ke Pynkup Burom ru ikino hikai bad ikino tre ke blakin jo arpusan senam ke jing hikai bad ke jing syakri hapok ke college bad la pelat pat baru ye ke kot belai kerteng dynamics of teaching.
Honorable Chief Guest Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri, IAS, Madam R.M. Korba, IAS, distinguished invitees, esteemed members of the governing body, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, members of the press, and my dear students, on behalf of the institution, the staff and students of Sankardev College, I am greatly honored to accord a warm welcome to our chief guest, Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary, Education Department, etc., Government of Meghalaya, who has taken time out of his busy schedule to be with us today. Thank you very much, sir, for your consent to be the chief guest in our graduation foundation day program.
college, established 63 years back, and it has gone a long way. It's such a beautiful name, Sankardev. I am sure you must be knowing about Sankardev. He's a great scholar, poet, musician, dancer, and he's a revolutionary. He has brought about Bhakti movement, something called Bhakti movement in Brahmaputra Valley, which is something phenomenal, and he's a legend. So I'm just glad to hear the name Sankardev, such a wonderful name. So and then to see the progress that you have made, the achievements that you have got, it's something very inspiring for me, especially because I am looking after the education department. Whenever I see such things, it's inspiring me to bring some development to the government colleges. Because today I have learned a lot of things that we can imitate in government colleges, and I would like to thank Principal for giving me this opportunity. Whenever such invitation comes, I hesitate, but at the end of the day, today I am very grateful that I have come here. I have learned a lot of things, and especially the kind of programs, conferences that you have conducted here is something, because you are in touch with the current affairs. Great people have come here, they shared this dais, and that's something amazing that I can see that the efforts that you have made to invite these personalities and to bring forward the kind of current affairs, the kind of knowledge to the students is something phenomenal. And to see the efforts that you have made to connect with this internship arrangements for the students, that's also really incredible. I must congratulate all the professors, all the teaching faculty who have done this tremendous job. It's not easy to get internship, even though it's very simple, it's nothing, but it's still very difficult to approach the right persons, right organization for the right kind of internship. And I must congratulate all of you for doing that. I still remember my graduation day in 2003. I am sure that this is something special you always remember, even though it looks like, I think this is a new initiative taken up by the college to have a graduation ceremony, because the certificates are usually issued by NEHU, the university, and you yourself having a graduation ceremony is something very, very important for the students, because this is the day that you are going to remember. So I wish all the students a great future ahead, because after this day, till this day you have been guided by your parents, you are guided by your teaching faculty from KG till this day. If you are not going ahead with your higher education, if you are going into society, going into field for your job opportunities, I think this is the last day that you are being guided. Today also you would have been guided where to sit, how to receive the scientist. But after this the guidance will be over, and you will be on your own to pursue your future, where it's uncharted journey, basically mostly uncharted journey. The only thing that will save you in future is that the ability to learn, every day. The fundamental thing that in learning is unlearning. You have to keep aside whatever you have learned. When you go take up a new job, you must listen to. So learning involves listening. Carefully you just listen. When you listen, you keep your mind calm, everything quiet. That means whatever you learn, you keep aside. You're going to keep aside to learn something new. Because from my experience, so everyone can appreciate in bureaucracy, is that we will be taking up new assignments day after day. Every day we need to learn. There's so much to learn every day. The main thing in learning is listening. Somebody comes with a problem and you must listen. So that's something very, very important for all of you. You have to keep learning. The situation that you are in, looking back 22 years back, our situation was little comfortable. We were not looking at big changes those days in the country or in the world. We had a job in our hand, we just have to take the certificate and go join our job. But now, the situation right now that you are facing is a little more challenging than what we faced. Because the situation in the world, basically the world dynamics are changing financially. The power center is changing from west to it is coming to the Asia. You would have been seeing the US tariffs, the layoffs that are happening. So right now, as we stand here, the production has stopped in many industrial areas. South India, especially in Western country, Gujarat, the production has stopped because we are not able to export to US. So that has laid off many employment opportunities. Apart from that, we are also facing a new challenge called AI, artificial intelligence. With AI, the problem is that we don't know what kind of jobs will be taken off from the market. So the only thing that will save, so if you see fundamentally understand AI is going to see, AI takes the data, process the data and comes up with something new. If you can be creative, and that is something that is going to save. Only the jobs that involves creativity, and also of course other jobs like where the hands are involved, human hands and legs are involved. The brain is gone, because whatever we can process in the brain, AI can do easily. But what we can is there in your hands, that is something. So that is something is yours. So you need to just keep watching what kinds of jobs are available. Government cannot provide all the jobs. So private sector. So if it is better if you can yourself be a pioneer and create jobs for others. There are great opportunities in our state. Our Honorable Chief Minister has been pioneering this to provide entrepreneurship opportunities. So there are a lot of opportunities available, a lot of subsidy schemes are available where if you would like to start up something new, the government is there to give you the support, right kind of support in terms of training, in terms of providing bank linkages, in terms of providing financial assistance, many things. We just have to keep it open. A lot of opportunities are there, but not the opportunities that used to be there before. The situation is changing. So with these few words, I would like to express my gratitude to the administration for inviting me here, and I would like to wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndey. Compare la kabarin, kapapidi harut surok ni kabahe, kumki restaurant, bat kiwe, ni pishat roti shat kiek, bat kiwe, nakabenta kakoy kakya jongi pat ba nong bam nong di. Bat ba pinyo kajing shania naki, pidan kam bandon deka license kapapaka, kabala itu dakaan, kata ke Food Safety and Standards Act Arajar Henril, link back section lai Pule iwe. Kamde ke be pinyo eka license, pila ban apply ke online link back website fastcus.fssai.gov.in da ke pihak pen upload ru teki kod kisla badan kam kat kum kejat jingkam jongpi. Pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamegalaya latno tang is kasihers pila ban letbet yak office terekam jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.